So just gonna make a little walk around video here of 2015 Honda Fury. Beautiful bike. Rode it down here to Key West. I'm currently down in Key West from West Palm Beach. Had absolutely no issues. Bike runs great. Was in an accident before. Like most bikes, it was just dropped. See, there's no frame damage or anything like that. But you'll see the bike isn't 100% perfect, but it's pretty good. I've owned many bikes. This chopper style handles incredibly. It's got a great motor in it. So the motor, just recently I upgraded the spark plug, so it has 4 new spark plugs up to a 7 heat. See, the chrome is in nice shape, so I'll kind of go over the bike. It was red. It has been painted black. The paint in some areas, like here, this is really easy to paint and touch up. Fender's been cut. So we have a Cobra exhaust, and I do have the OEM exhaust as well. Stock air filter, rear foot pegs. I do have a back seat for it as well, so that covers up those holes with the back bracket. That's brand new. The motorcycle has just under 6,000 miles on it. We do have some LED lights. It's a control box. Basically stays that white color. I'm gonna upgrade that. Pegs. So we have shaft drive. This is also one of the most reliable motorcycles you'll get, because you'll see it is liquid cooled, shaft driven. These come with ABS, I guess, and just 1312 cc motor on that thing from like the VTEX. Runs great. Did upgrade the headlight also, and I have the OEM one, and these lights are super bright. Alright, so front fender, it kind of shows all of it. So I will start it up. It starts right up, no issues. Again, I mean, it's a fuel injected motor, and they've kept these things the same. 2025 model is exactly the same as the 2010 model. And that's part of the thing, like with this paint, I would custom paint this thing if I was going to keep it longer. But great bike, sounds great. She runs pretty good. Bike rides great. Super reliable. Sell it in Key West, or if you meet somewhere in Miami.